essential steps involved. Step 1, locate work area and identify equipment, machinery, or other system components to be worked on. First, we have to identify which equipment we have to lock out and tag out, as I said. Step 2, identify all energy source. Which type of energy, the work involved with which sources. Suppose we are working with some equipment, we have some maintenance is there. What are the energy sources we have to cut off? Okay. 3, identify the parts to be locked out or isolated. What are the parts to be isolated? Step 3 is completed. The screen is clear now, everyone? Screen. You are
Yes,
getting
sir.
it?
Yes, sir. Clear,
Okay.
clear.
Determine the lockout methods, notify all personnel affected, and shut down equipments and machinery. Install lockout devices. I have already informed regarding this now. What are the equipment or why it is required, install lockout, how it will lock out, authorized persons and everything. Tagging. Lockout and tag out now, that is the tagging. Step 9, verify zero energy state. Lockout, tag out no, and test out. I said test out means either proper energy is locked or not. We have to check out. Suppose we are working with one unit, we are isolated another. There is no use. There is no use if you are isolated with another equipment. There is no use. No, we are taking safety precautions. Why we are taking lockout, tag out procedures and everything for the people's safety, for our machinery and people's safety. There is no use if you are lockout in proper unit. Verify zero energy state. Either if the energy is locked properly, there is, if the pressure valve will say that we can see the valves pressure, it's down. There is no energy in that. If it is electrically, there is a voltmeter, ammeter, whatever multimeter, we can check it. Step 10, perform the task. Then if energy is zero, then we can perform the task. Either, is it right now? If energy sources is cut, we can work with shift. After completing the task, everyone is said permit is closing, then we will de-energize the system, whatever, working with any energy. Understood, no? Step 2, record time, date, lockout, remove, and system restore. There is a record. Which equipment is locked and tagged by authorized person, date and time, and restored time also should be recorded. Restored. Then the system is restored, and it means it will be de-energized. Suppose after completion the work and everyone is leave from the side and it's on. Which is locked, no? Locked and tagged, that removing, it means restore the energy. I hope you all do understood. Okay. Lockout, tag out program will help to prevent the unintended release of hazardous energy. The unintended startup or motion or machinery, equipment or process. Lockout, tag out procedures involve more than putting a lock on a switch. They are comprehensive step-by-step process. They involve communication, coordination, and training. There is a training also in the industry. Are you going lockout, tag out procedures? So many different people. Now we are the safety people. We know all the things we are learning now. Why lockout? So many in the construction. So many uneducated people. So many other people. Different people are coming now in the civil construction or mechanical. They don't know why. They don't know why. What is the importance of lockout tagout? As they can, they would like to do as they want. This is not a process. They need a training. What are the procedures involved, lockout, tagout, and how it will be help. Lockout, tagout procedure will how help the and protect the people or machinery. Understood, no? What I said? Hello. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Are you understood what I say?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Ah,
sir.
yes, sir. We are understanding, sir.
Yeah, okay. Then if the people who are not understanding, though after the class you ask me. Again, I will tell you what are other things. But you should, if you catch while this training, no, it will help practically, and you can easily write down. If you if you receive even some points, important points, why it is required, why tag out is required, why sources has to cut off from the source, everything. Okay. Some important definitions. Affected person is an employee whose job is qualified, requires them to operate system or working area in which serving maintenance is being performed under lockout tag. Average person is an individual who is qualified to control hazards energy sources because of their knowledge, training, and experience, and has been assigned to engage in such controls. I said, the person, average person should be locked and tagged out. He is the trained and knowledge person. Everyone cannot lock and tag or in record the things for which the people who are involved in the work, no, someone, any other person. The responsible person, average person, will log the sources. Understood, no? There is average person. He is the trained and experienced. System refers to machinery, equipment, or process. See, lockout, tagout station, lockout for safety, do not touch, lockout. This is a warning. Don't operate. One more gun. Don't operate the flow lockout procedures. See, somewhere it is lock, double lock is there. Suppose some people, more than 5-6 people are using means assigned with one task. If there is a lock, one lock system, there is one more lock system also is there. There is a box lock. If suppose 10 people working in that task, 10 people, the one key is in the big box, after the box is closed, and there is so many locks, individual locks for safety. Individual locks, everyone locked and key with them, individuals. Or they will open, and then only main lock, main key will, then only can get the main key. If any person, suppose one person is working with that energy, another person don't know, he will operate. What will happen? Accident. Accident will happen, no? Hello? Hello? Tell me something. You are, am I audible? No? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Understood now what this lockdown,
Sir.
lockout, tagout procedures. If suppose more than lock and key is one, but somewhere some other companies, depending upon the company, only one key is one lock is provided, key with the average person. In some companies, different procedure, chemical, like some other companies as well. There is a box in the source cut with one lock. There is a key, no? The key is protected, kept in the big box, and there is so many sources are there. And some more locks are we can lock with the box. Either 10 people are working means 10 people they will lock individually. their key. Everyone will, after the finishing the task, everyone will open that box, no, with individual keys. Then only the main key will take authorized person, and he will de-energize and everything. If everything is closed safely, then only de-energize. The who is de-energized, no, another person will go and energize this. Okay, you understood now? The concern is if you're understood or not. Otherwise, no, I will tell you again if you're not understood. Please tell me.
అర్థమైతుంది సార్, అర్థమైతుంది.
మన తెలుగు వాళ్ళ మీద నాకు కొద్దిగా ఇది, అందుకని నాకు అర్థం అవ్వకపోతే మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను, ఏం ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు. ఓకే, this is finished now. They are lockout tagout is completed. I will tell you about fire now. ఎంతమంది జాయిన్ అయ్యారు? 10 మందే ఉన్నారు. అందాకం సెక్షన్ ఇప్పుడు now people are very less to compare with the first session. Durgarao, Vijay Krishna, Venkat Prasad, Shekhar. The people, some of our people are safety guys. They know all the procedures and everything. Especially the main new people, know without experience, they would like to join the field for getting jobs and everything. They can. Okay. Everyone got this screen about the fire extinguishers.
వచ్చింది సార్.
Okay. Actually, fire అనేది fire is very important chapter, no? Because so many fires happening, fire accidents are happening in the industry. So many fire accidents, you know that. Simply, we know that where there is a triangle, fire triangle. Oxygen, heat, and source. Source is maybe it fuel or combustible material, whatever. Oxygen, heat, and some other combustible material, whatever. These are the reactions of these three can make a fire. Understood? Oxygen, heat, and source, whatever, combustible material, paper, wood, fuel, gas, some example like that. If you remove within these three, if you remove oxygen, fire will be controlled. If you remove heat, fire will be controlled. If you remove the third sources, that is a different main source. It may be fuel, wood, pepper, like that, any metals like that. See the portable fire extinguishers. Usually, experienced person know that there are different fire extinguishers, but the new people they don't know actually fire extinguisher means it's a red tin fire. Red, it's a red color. Just I'm sending my number. Those doesn't have send a message to me. Hi, in my WhatsApp number. I am just typing the number. Hello? Hello? Okay. These are the types, some portable fire extinguishers. Then I will go to further definition. If you don't getting the screen, if not, just tell me. I will do something. I will
Yes,
stop
sir.
and again share.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got, sir.
And definition.
sir.
An extinguisher is a portable device containing an extinguished medium which can be expelled by action of internal pressure to put out a fire in this early stage. The pressure may stored or be obtained by a chemical reaction or be obtained by release of gas from cartridge. There is a pressure. There is in the fire extinguisher, different type of fire extinguisher. They have a pressure. With the pressure, it works. We will release the. There is a pass system. I will tell you. Next. The definition you just read. Just this material is made for the simply we can explain. The main thing. No, I send the all the material, complete material. If you read all this, everything will be there. In this, just for simply for this material I made for online classes. That book completely we cannot no, but that book we cannot explain continuously. How many pages? It's very lengthy. You know, everyone check that material. What I sent a mail, you know, mail. Industrial safety, that complete 8 papers. Is someone read? Someone open? What is there inside? Hello? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay. Next, fire extinguisher's advantage. Simple to operate, fast means pin, lock, unlock the pin, aim at the fire, sweep and squeeze and sweep. I will show you practically. Lightweight, small in size, easily carried to the incident at fire source, ideally available, effective to incident stage fires. If occupies a small portion of a workplace, provides a safe tool for fight reaction. I will show you the fire extinguishers with me. Okay. Practically, I will show you. See the types of fire extinguishers. One is water. I will show you that. I will show you no practically with me. I am in practical room now right now. I'll show you it. Water type, no, I will show you now though, that one water type A fires, water. This is the water. You can see this, the mentioned, you know, water. Water. Everyone see, this is the water. This is A type, class A fire. The types of fire extinguishers. This is the water. It's mentioned, no? Everyone can see this. My video. Please see the
Yes,
video.
sir.
Yes, sir.
It's the water. It's the water type. It's clearly mentioned. Okay. I will tell you which type of fire it can be used. Water. The second mechanical, it's a foam type, AB and P fires, foam. It will the mentioned in the foam fire of 1 month. See this foam, it's mentioned in the foam type fire extinguishers. You see label. This is the foam type. I will tell you which fire extinguisher use for which type of fires. Next, carbon dioxide. It's a CO2. This CO2. The delivery, no, this one is different from CO2. Carbon dioxide. This fire extinguisher contains carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide fire extinguisher, there is no pressure gas, especially this carbon dioxide. Okay. Dry chemical powders. See this dry chemical powders. Everyone see, no? Can see this one? The experienced people, they know all those, especially the new people. The graduates, fresh graduates, engineers, and some new people are there. For them also, I'm showing all those things. Experienced with the experienced people like, no, some people they know everything. K we don't have, K water, K we don't have. K usually we have dry chemical powders, foam type, CO2 fire extinguisher having wall, you know the wall. I will show you the wall because no, it's only carbon dioxide inside the CO2. It's a carbon dioxide. The remaining fire extinguishers are operated with clip like this. ABC type, ABC powder. We have ABC powder also. We have that one. ABC also. Just mention on the ABC, dry powder. Capacity. You see this? Water. I show you, no, practically. This is water fire extinguisher. Actually, I saw water fire extinguisher size. That is different size, no? 9 liters. I saw you know that one 9 liters, 6 liters, 5 liters. There is a gauge on the every fire extinguisher, except that the CO2 carbon dioxide. There is no gas carbon dioxide fire extinguishers. Remaining powder, dry chemicals, and foam, water, and everything. There is a gas pressure gauge is there for every fire extinguisher except CO2. water fire extinguisher. It's not the mechanical. It's a foam. It's mentioned on this. Gas cartridge type, stored pressure type, mechanical foam fire extinguishers. The capacity, jet range, discharge time, 60 to 90 seconds, 40 to 50 seconds. This is carbon dioxide, CO2, as I showed you, 2 kg, 4.5, 6.5. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide fire extinguisher method of operation. I show you, this one. Already I showed. Practically I showed this. Dry chemical powder, gas cartridge type, stored pressure type, different. 5 kg, 4 to 5 meters, jet range, discharge 20 to 25 seconds. Classifications of fires, I will tell you. ABC type, ABC dry chemical powder type extinguishers. Ammonia powder, pressurized with nitrogen. ABC type, water, clean agent fire extinguishers. Clean agent, wet chemical fire extinguishers. Wet chemical fire extinguishers. Before using the fire extinguishers, the fire department has, if minor fire means we will control. If fire is the major fires, we cannot control with this fire extinguishers. Department, we have to call fire department. We have announced the fire to alert others. Occupants have been evacuated or leaving the structure. The fire is small and not spreading. You know how to operate the fire extinguisher, and the fire won't block your unobstructed escape route. And I said, how to use fire extinguisher, store pressure. Remember the easy, the pass, pull the pin. Fire extinguisher had a pin. Is I am audible now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fire extinguisher had the pin. Pull the pin and simply aim the nozzle at the fire. Squeeze the handle, sweep side to side at the base of the fire. Sweep, like I will show you the picture. How to use the fire extinguishers. There is a pin. I will show you the classification of fire. I will show you which type of fires, which type of fire extinguishers can be used, should be used. Everything I will tell you. Just is the pass system. How to use a fire extinguisher gas cartridge type. Remove the safety pin. Aim the discharge tube to the base of fire. Strike the plugger knob. Sweep the fire by side to side. Flow wind direction. Follow wind direction. Sorry. See, so there is now it coming the fire balls. You see now in the videos and everything. Fire balls. Fire extinguisher ball is a ball shaped fire extinguisher simply thrown into a fire. If something fire happen, we just throw like a ball in the fire. Fire will be controlled. It will active within 3 seconds. Effectively disperse extinguishing chemicals. Is the latest. Is the ball is the latest. Someone see this practically this ball? Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir. It's the latest.
No, sir.
The ball is the latest. The fire extinguishers, most of the people know different fire. Some people know that fire. It's a fire tin. Fire while firing, different fire extinguishers are there. The practical people know that. Now the latest one is this is the ball. Fireball.
Open your video, sir. Your video is lost.
Actually, fire, I don't have a ball. Actually, it's the latest. I don't have a ball right now. It's a ball, no? It looks like ball. In YouTube also you can find it. What is a fireball? Like ball, you throw into the fire. Fire will be controlled.
Sir, how it works?
Wood works. It means there is a dry chemicals. No control. Suppose there is a DCP. No latest. Yeah. How DCP, ammonia, if, these gases and everything. No? What are the fire controlling agents? They in that there is a ball will burst the heat within the heat. You understood? Ball will burst in the heat. Then the chemical, the material inside the no, this will control the fire immediately. It's the latest one, okay. A small fires, it will be this will control. If you use fire, it cannot. But no, we have to call the firefighting. Okay, next. Fireball extinguisher. You see how. Yeah. Ball operating. Okay. Next, blanket. Fire blanket are made of fire resistant woven glass fiber fabric. It is easy to use and good for putting out small fires. Small fires. There is a blanket. If there is something fire now, there is shown. Everyone see, my screen. No? There is a fire blanket. It mentioned in the plans. Okay. If it is small fire, no, the blanket.
Why you locked your video, sir?
It's not required. No, nothing is there. Nothing in my hands. If you want, I can. Okay, no issue. Okay. Fire blanket. Fire. You can use like this fire blanket. Okay. How they are covering with the fire on the top of the fire. If it is small fires, huge fires, we cannot run. I am using the blanket. Okay. This is the buckets. As you know very well, the buckets, sand. This sand. We can control with sand. Fire, small fires one can control by sand. Okay. It will be, everyone know this one, no? Sand in the, it will become. In case, when, actually, the classifications. Now this one, you can see this. For the A, B, C, D types of fires, A, B, C, D, and K. Ordinary fires, A type. Ordinary solid combustible materials means paper, wood, some like other dust, peppers and everything. Other A type fire extinguisher classification A and B, flammable liquids and gases, it's a B type. Okay, C means energized electrical panels for use CO2 only. The C type